Set against the hilltops, red cliffs, and sheer sandstone walls of the southern Utah high desert, Solenté's master plan is thoughtful, functional, in balance with nature, and a work of art that enables residents and guests to experience nature's unrealized ends. Solenté will feature casual but sophisticated estate homes, townhomes, condominiums, resort villas, casitas, and a luxury hotel that will complement the landscape in a refined, contemporary desert style. Solenté will offer on-site curated experiences through its 4 club components: exclusive estate clubs, community sports clubs, resort residential club, and a luxury resort hotel club, as well as local and regional trails, animal preserves, state and national parks. The first 25 custom estate lots are ready for reservation and purchase. Bring your own builder or work with one of our builder partners. We look forward to having you in Solenté, where all things come together in simple, convenient, and elegant ways, resulting in a premium experience that is elevated, exceptional, and effortless.